and then we go to the next. This is from the beginning to the end, so this way you'll know what to do. Now you go to the small one, and then you go to the next seeds. And this is how beautiful rainbow will be for you. Look how pretty design it gives you. There is a lot of certain stitches when you do, it goes faster. Certain stitches, it takes time because it's much smaller it is. But smaller it is, it's beautiful it is. Every design is beautiful, but there is a lot of small designs that it looks very beautiful. You will love to do it. I enjoy when I do small things because it looks more designs, like more creative. And you can create your own designs. Sometimes you just imagining, this is all the designs that I created. It's like kind of, it's my imagination, or I've seen something, or I've seen, for example, curtains that they have designs with machine made, whatever it is, and I get idea from there, from a lot of places. And sometimes I just, you know, do things to bring new designs. There you go. It's almost done. Here we go. This is really, really pretty design. It is a rainbow design. It's kind of unique. I like to do things like this, that from one, even though if it's a rainbow I say, but it has a lot of different kind of design between. If you look at it, it is very pretty, which I show you. It looks like a Christmas tree, it looks like a mountain, it looks like it's a flower, it looks like it's a, you know, it's your imagination. There you go. Okay. Now we have to let this go out the way. Here's the last two ones left. And then goes here. I think this is the last one here. Now this is the last. Now you see how is the petals? They're like a little cone. They look like a cone, but those are the rainbows that I call. It's like a trees, flowers, and rainbow, whatever, but that's what's the name I gave it. So now that we're finished, the way you see over here, on top of the top ones that you see over here, which is the top of the pine cones, let's say you go and you do it just regular rainbow. Just regular stitches you do from here to here. You see the top of the pine cone that you see? From the little seeds, you go and you do this. Just regular stitch. This is your design, and this is end of the rainbow stitch. Look what a pretty design it came. Let's do this. Sometimes you can hold the thread because this is pretty far. It's not comfortable, stays on it. So you hold the thread with your finger and you pull it. This is all one video. It is for you, which I made other two videos. You can go and check them. If you push on my videos, under my Become Inspired, under my picture, it says videos. If you push it, you will see all my needle art laces. And you will, every one of them are different designs. You will learn in no time. If you're interested, you love it, you're gonna do it. Let me push this away a little bit so it shows the design better for you. Here we go. I have to push my thread up. And here's the last one that you see. Here's the rainbow design. This is what you see here. Of course, this is a thicker thread, which is better to show it faster and, you know, it shows much more, even though this is much detail and fine, which is beautiful, but this is good to give a class with this pink one. All right, now after this, like I said, you have to do small seeds. If you want to continue, like you see over here on top that we did, you have to do this little white lines that you see, the little design, which is really pretty cute. It has to be small seeds. So on top of small seeds later on, you can make the flower petals. You leave one seeds and you do next seeds. Now for now, let me just show you this, which is not hard. That's one. You can put as many seeds as it can, but try not to make it too tight, not too big. Let's see how many it can go in. It depends how much it is. Maybe it will be 5 seeds, just like 5 petals. There is one, we attached it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 1, makes it 5. Then you go to the next. You can block it, like you can, if you see your needle point, it's way too wavy the way it was, don't be afraid, don't worry about it. At this situation, let's cut this thing here. And let me tell you one thing too. Always leave one thread in the back so you will know which side is right, the correct side, or the wrong side. I always leave in the middle one, but I cut it by mistake, but doesn't matter. I always have 1 or 2 thread. It shows me this is the wrong side and this is the right side. So like I said, when you get too much pleaties, what you do is you join them together and you blind them. But if it's not, don't do that. Just do regular stitches, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have to take it out again. So for now, okay, after like you did 5, you can go to the next. Don't blind it the way I did over here. I was just showing you in case if it gets, please. Otherwise, you just do seeds. Continue to do that. You do your judgment, how pleat it is or how straight it is. If you need more seeds, you do seeds. If you see it's too tight, do extra seed. If it's too loose, then blind them, join them together. Join them together, it means to make them blind. The way I always say, I repeat it so many times, blind, blind. So see now, these rainbow's lines, some of them are a little smaller than the other one, but it's okay. It won't be any noticeable, nobody will notice, as long as you put your stitches and you make it prettier. So anyway, this is the way it goes. All right, well, thank you for watching again. Like I want to show you again one more time. So after you did this stitch, you can put those little petals on it, the little flowers. Sometimes you can skip a seeds and do it another one. Skip and do. Sometimes you don't have to skip it. You can do next to each other. You use your judgment to kind of look balanced, even. So this is your rainbow style. I hope you'll try it and you'll succeed. It's not hard, it just needs patience and try to do it. Thank you for watching. Become inspired and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you again. Bye-bye.